Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimu from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually mute notifications on Instagram. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. How to mute notifications on Instagram. Let's say you receive lots of DMs and lots of followings and followers notifications. You get annoyed by the Instagram notifications and you simply want to learn how you can turn that off. I'm going to show you how you can do that, so make sure to stick with us till the end. The very first thing you want to do is simply make sure you have updated the Instagram app to the latest version. You can head over to your app store, in the search box type in Instagram and go ahead and simply either download or update the app to the latest version. Once you've done that, I'm going to open Instagram, and the very next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. After you log into your Instagram account, you can see this is how the interface is going to look like, and the next thing we want to do is from the bottom right hand side of the screen you can find your profile picture. So all you have to do is tap on your Instagram profile photo. As you do that, you're going to be redirected to your profile page. All you have to do is at the very top right hand side you can see this three horizontal lines icon. So tap on the three horizontal lines icon, and at the bottom you will be given a pop-up menu. In this pop-up menu, at the very top option you have this gear icon which says settings. So go ahead and tap on the settings option. As soon as you do that, at the very top under follow and invite friends option, you have this bell icon which says notifications. And since we're going to learn how we can mute notifications, we're going to go ahead and review this option which says notifications. Now the very first thing you could do is, instead of completely turning off and muting notification in Instagram, you can simply pause all of the notifications until when you want it to. So you can see this option which says pause all, and on the right hand side you can also see this toggle. You have to simply turn this toggle on, and you can select a time until when you want to receive push notifications, such as 15 minutes, 1 hour, 2, 4, 8 hours, up to the maximum level. So you could go ahead and pause all notifications up to your desired time. If this toggle is turned on, it is going to be highlighted in blue. If it is turned off, it is basically going to be grayed out. But let's say you want to go ahead and review each of these notifications manually. Let's say you don't want to receive a message notification, or let's say that you don't want to receive a following and followers or likes or comments notifications. We could actually go ahead and do that as well. So what you have to do is, in order to turn off notifications from posts, stories and comments, tap on this option at the very top, and you can see you can turn off likes as well manually. You could also turn off notifications for likes and comments on your photos, and you can also turn off your uploads as well as comments notifications on your own photos as well. If you're satisfied with this setting, you can come back and review another setting such as following and followers. Review each of these manually, whether you want to get notified for the new followers or not, whether you want to get notified when someone accepts your follow request or your account suggestions or mentions whenever someone mentions you in their bio as well. You could go ahead and review each of these notification settings manually. You could tap on messages and calls and turn off message request notifications as well as messages notifications and group requests and video chats. Review each of these settings manually, and basically this will help you hopefully mute your notifications on Instagram. We hope this video helped you in either way. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.